Okay, we are in question 5. Write a function that returns a list. Look at the code of the question 3, 4, 20. Make a backup copy at answer 3, 4, 20. Question 4, 3, 4, 20, and I need to back up this one as a answer 4, 3, 20. Okay. You need to fill empty function, create list 3, 4, 20 with your code. The list returned from this function will consist of numbers from 1 to maximum number included, but for multiples of 3, 3 instead of the number, and for the multiples of 4, 4, and for the numbers which are multiplies both for 3 and for 12. If you write your functions correctly, both answers should not give you any error. Okay, it says to me I need to create a list here, and this list, for example, should create this 4. Okay, and this is similar to this 3, 5, 15 problem, but instead of writing as a printout, I am asking you to create a list. For example, this numbers, okay, or numbers, let's say, and I need to put it here, this, but I need to create according to this maximum number, then for index in range, what should I do, maximum number, and it should also start from this 1, since here, as you can see in the list, we have this number. I think that's it, but I also need to write 1. Max number, what is the problem? Okay, and I need to numbers append this index, and here I need to return numbers. Okay, I have a problem. Some of them tops and some of them spaces. I need to change this one to indent using tops. Okay, and here I need to fix this tops issue for me. Okay, and here also this tops issue. And then if I run this one, okay, as you can see, I have an assertion error since my L1 is only numbers. I need to add here if index is divisible by 3 and index is divisible by 4, then I need to numbers dot append. It is, what does it say, 12. Okay, elif, I'm getting this one. If it is only divisible by 3, I am appending 3, and if it is only divisible by 4, I need to append 4. Else, if it is not divisible for any others, I am returning this one. And if I run this value, as you can see, my lists are correct and my both assertions work.